Hey everyone, Vintage Fan Collector here, and we're back in my kitchen with the two 1984 Casablanca Four Seasons low ceiling series in antique white and polished brass. So this is the Slumber Quiet model, as you can see, and it's over the fridge pretty much, and the pantry, and a little bit close to the stove and all that stuff, microwave as well. So this fan always confuses my dad and brother. No matter how many times I tell them to pull the chain twice to turn the light on and off but leave the fan running, they can't seem to figure that out. So a lot of times I come home from work and this one has the light on and the fan's off, or the light off and the fan off, but the other one's always running. It's really annoying. Can't stand it. So that's why this year I really am pushing to finally live on my own, because every time I've ever said that, it never worked out. But I'm not giving up this year at all, because this is just getting way too much. Anyway, here it is with the light on. Same K1S light fitter that all of these have. The cane blades are absolutely amazing. I'm really glad to finally have two sets, so I can put both of these with cane. And yeah, go ahead and start off the fan on its lowest speed it can do on the Slumber Quiet, while the 3-speed one back there will be running on its low speed. This one here, because of the wall where the cabinet is being so close to it, and the pantry wall right here which you can't see, it does not move as much air when the other fan is on. But I notice if you turn off the fan by the sink, this one starts to move more air. So maybe it's just that that fan seals the air because it has a bigger space to circulate it. But if you turn that off, then all that air is forced to circulate from this fan, and it actually starts to move more air. But I do notice that where I'm standing right here directly next to the camera, right in front of the pantry, it actually does move a good amount of air right here, but it doesn't move as much air into the actual middle of the kitchen like the other fan does. It's just very strange the way that the air physics work with this fan, due to its very odd location with the way the walls are configured. Because above the fridge there's no cabinet wall, so then it goes back to the real wall, so it's a bigger, weird space in the corner. It's just a strange geometry around here. So, here's a kind of quarter-ish turn. Closer to the actual the speed match low speed of the 3-speed fan. I forgot to move the little lights. Not that that really helps much, but I guess that might be a little better. Maybe. Yeah, that's alright. So that's pretty much the same speed as the other fan. Yeah, it is actually the same speed. It's a little bit more of a kind of middle medium. And I apologize for the refrigerator noise. We are literally next to it, so. This is about what the medium speed is on the 3-speed right here. Actually a little bit faster. It's more like right there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this thing just has a faint bearing noise now. And like I said, I never really turn these things off. Very rarely do I ever turn them off. Therefore, And they've seen probably a lot more use than they did where they used to be. I don't know. But I actually got these fans when I was living in Richardson, so at the old house. I'm glad I finally got to use them here. I think I had these in the storage unit. I don't remember. I might have or I might not have. I don't know. Okay, here is a kind of medium-ish, high-ish, whatever. It's almost a high. And these are on the fan lifters, which is why they are the low ceiling series, and the K1S light kit is named the light lifter on the 83 or 84 catalog, whatever, and then or 82 maybe. And also the K4S is called the light lifter fitter, apparently. I didn't really know that. Or maybe I did, I just forgot. And here's high. So both of these do hum a little bit on high, probably due to the Schoolhouse Globe and being metal on metal with the hang true on the fan lifter. But they're still pretty quiet overall, not too loud. But you can definitely hear a hum, while other Casablanca and Craftmate fans in the house don't have that hum to them. But since this is the other fans on low, this thing is moving more air in a bigger spread of air. But when both fans are on high, this one does not perform nearly as well as the other one does. And like I said, it's due to the walls and the odd shaped. Since that other fan has the advantage of a bigger space between the blades and the wall, has more room to move air, and it takes the air, all the air away. So that's just interesting physics. There you go. There's the fan turned off. And this one does take a lot longer to spin down because the bearings are still in much better shape than the other fan, even though these are also now noisy. Gotta love it. I have so many bearings to replace. Holy crap. Haven't done any of them yet. Just been so busy. I replace bearings with everyone else's fans but my own. Woohoo! Even got a few K63s with bad bearings too. Those need attention, but, you know, I don't have the time. These fans are just so cute, their little stubbiness. I wish they made them smaller though. Imagine if they had like 29-inch blade span for these things. Imagine how crazy that would be. Absolutely nuts. These are already nuts enough, being 38 inches. Actually, that one is now a little bit faster to spin down. Okay, great. That one's becoming shot too. Wonderful. Alright, well, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you for watching.